Welcome back to Guitalele Tutorials. Today we are going to look into two more strumming patterns. These two strumming patterns are also basic, so they still use the 4x4 beat patterns, and we use all the down strums and we use up strums as required. So without further ado, let's start. The first strumming pattern that we are going to look into today is the strumming pattern 5. So it uses 4 down strums and 2 up strums. The pattern is down, up, down, and then there is a miss, and then again down, up, down. So we are missing 2 up strums. So just after the beat 2 and after the beat 4. So it sounds like this: down, up, down, 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 down, up, down. Okay. So remember, you have to tap your foot and also you can bob your head, or you can have some movements in your body to get along with the beat pattern, the BPM that you are trying to play. Okay, so now here I'll start the metronome at 75 beats per minute, and then we'll play along with it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, down, up, down. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Down, up, down, down, up, down. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Down, up, down, down, up, down. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Down, up, down, down, up, down. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so this was one strumming pattern. So the key here again is to have a smooth movement. Okay, so it shouldn't be like down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. It's not like that. It should be a very smooth kind of a swinging motion. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So that was our pattern number 5. Now we'll look into pattern number 6. So this pattern is down, up, down, 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 up. So what we are doing is, so the first part is similar like that we used in strumming pattern 5. So down, up, down. Okay, now in the second part of the pattern, so there is a change, and there is, instead of down, up, down, so what we are doing is down, down, up. Okay, so we were missing the up strum after the 4th down strum, and now what we are doing is that we are doing the up strum after the 4th pattern, 4th down strum, but we are missing the up strum after the 3rd down strum. So basically it becomes down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, and down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. 1 and 2, 3, 4, and okay. So now we'll play with metronome. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, 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 up. 1 and 2, 3, 4, and down, up, down, 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 up. 1 and 2, 3, 4, and down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, 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 up. 1 and 2, 3, 4, and keep going. Okay, so these are the two patterns for today. So keep practicing them, until and unless you don't have to think much of what is the down strumming pattern that were there, where was the down strum, where was the up strum. So you don't have to think. So take it to that level that you don't have to think. That strumming becomes an automatic thing for you. So it becomes your second nature. Okay, so keep practicing that, and we'll see two more strumming patterns in our next video.